YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It is that time. It is Sephora playtime. I have not looked at my bag. I just opened the box so we would have it ready to go. So we have, I just noticed the cute little ghost girl on the pamphlet this month. So I've been noticing recently that they've been accepting the play card online, where it's where you would put in the code for, like, you know, those free makeup products that, like, if you spend a certain amount of money, you put the code of your card in, and they seem to accept it because last month they in September, when they had their 1 year anniversary, they allowed that to happen for the first time, and then last month when I was on Sephora, they allowed me to do that. I noticed that they said you could put your Sephora Play card in, so I think you can do it now online or in store, which is really cool. And then the theme, I'm guessing, has something to do with Halloween. Last minute looks for Halloween. Scary Good Beauty. Okay, I didn't look at what the products were in here, so we get the clear plastic bag again, which I kind of like better than the tie bags, because most of them my cat would steal the ribbon out of. Those ribbons make really good cat toys. I would just tie it to a chair or a doorknob, and my cats would go crazy and nuts with those. Those are like some of the best cat toys, besides like free boxes. I don't know what it is with my cats. You buy them any store-bought, internet-bought, like professionally made cat toys, they want nothing to do with them. If it's crinkled up paper, boxes, free ribbons, string, they go crazy for it. It's the most interesting thing, except for my cats love lasers. They have I have this toy that's like basically a random laser that shoots all over the walls, and my cats go nuts for it. So that's the only toy my cats are really into, besides like catnip and cat scratchers. But this isn't a video about my cats. I am gonna do the Meet My Cat tag, but that's a different video. So let's, last month I did not like my bag at all, so let's see if they, can redeem themselves, especially now that I'm getting BoxyCharm. Sephora Play has got, like, a lot of, to live up to, and I think I'm just gonna ride it out till January, and then till December, and then the first of the year just kill my subscription, because I don't get enough makeup. If it was more makeup and less like skincare and hair care, I kind of feel like you get in the box. That's just why I've been considering for a while to get rid of it, and plus there's been other problems I've had with them, but yeah, especially with getting BoxyCharm, I'm kind of on the fence about my Sephora Play boxes. So let's see how good this bag is. So I'm just gonna reach in and grab stuff. Okay, this feels like a really big thing, and this is, okay, very cool. We have the Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. I have a few of these samples, and this is one of my favorite setting sprays, and it really does make your makeup last all night, so always excited to have that. So far, like the first product, I think I found the perfume, yes, and it is Saint and Sinner samples, which is my favorite perfume. So, okay, very cool. I'm very happy about that I got a sample of both. I love the packaging of this, and there's the two samples. I'm so glad I got this, since I'm not with my own money consciously purchasing from Kat Von D anymore. I'm very happy to have those. The next thing, let's see, we've got a banana contour stick. So what is that? Okay, that's not very much product if you look at that. And okay, so that's like a concealer stick basically for me right there. I have yellow undertones, so I can use this maybe as a color corrector or as a concealer. I'll see what happens with that. Small. I got a contour stick in a box before from Anastasia, and it was not that small. It was about double the size of that banana stick. So I don't know why I got such little product in that. That's a small product. Okay, the next thing we have is from First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream. Helps hydrate, smooth, and recharge. Safe for sensitive skin. I can always use moisturizers. Allergy tested, free of artificial fragrances. Very cool. My light is drowning it out. I've always wanted to try stuff from them. So far this bag is redeeming itself from last month's bag. And the next product we have is from Caudile, their Vino Perfect Radiant Serum, which just says apply morning and evening to face, neck, and décolleté. Let's see if it's like a shimmer serum or if it's just a serum. Yeah, it's just a serum. When you can kind of see my hands shiny right there where I patted it out. So I do like Caudile, so that's also a good size sample. So with winter coming, this is always, I can always use stuff for moisturizer. So okay, and this is the last product, is Benefits Give Me Brow. Okay, very cool. I do like it. I do have a few samples of these from just other stores, and I do like this. So I have so many samples of these, I haven't had to buy this either. The Urban Decay setting spray, I think I have like 5 or 6 mini bottles, and from different things, like, you know how they send you samples all the time. I seem to always get the Urban Decay setting spray and the Benefit brow gel, but I do use them. So that This bag I am very pleased with. So I definitely got my $10 worth. I just think it's really funny, the tiny size of that concealer. Yeah, that's basically what I would use it as, because that's like the perfect shade for concealer for me, it looks like. Yeah, so I definitely got my $10 worth. It's $10. You can go on to Sephora on the website, sign up for it. It's $10 plus whatever your state sales tax is. So it probably will come out to closer to like it's $11 basically. Especially with New York State sales tax, it's 8.5%. So our sales tax is pretty freaking high. So yeah, for me it's close to $11. But this isn't sponsored. I paid for it. So yeah, I definitely liked all the products that I got in this month's box. I have no complaints. So yeah. Do you guys get Sephora Play? Did you like what you got in your box this month? Are you thinking about getting Sephora Play, or did you used to get it and stop getting it, or do you get any other subscription boxes that maybe I might be interested in? There's like a Ricky's cult favorite box I'm kind of looking into, because that's a beauty store around me, and that also seems to be like for, I think it's like $25, and you get like a palette, it seems, with every box, and you get like, you know, your money's worth of products, and it's like more indie brand box. So because I always love discovering new brands. So, yeah, let me know if you guys got Sephora Play this month, and if you liked your Sephora Play. I'll leave the information of everything I got in the info box down below, and I will have that palette bingo coming up. It's just with the weather, my allergies have been bothering my eyes, and the last day or two, I just didn't want to risk, you know, playing with new shadows that I've never used on my eyes, because I wasn't even wearing my contacts. But I will have the palette bingo up either tonight or tomorrow. But yeah, let me know yeah, if you're gonna get Sephora Play, or if you're not into it. Thank you guys for watching. I'm rambling, and I will stop the video now and see you in the next one. Have a good night, guys. Bye.